While the Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a highly regarded luxury sedan, it does have some potential drawbacks that buyers should consider. Here are a few cons associated with the C-Class. 1. Limited rear passenger space. The C-Class is a compact luxury sedan, and as such, rear legroom and headroom may be somewhat limited compared to larger vehicles in its class. Taller passengers sitting in the back may find it less comfortable on longer journeys. Number 2. Firm ride quality. Depending on the specific model and chosen suspension setup, the C-Class can have a firm ride quality, especially when equipped with sport-tuned suspensions of larger wheel options. This may result in a slightly stiffer and less forgiving ride over rough and uneven road surfaces. 3. Expensive optional features. While the base model of the C-Class offers a decent array of standard features, many desirable options and packages come at an additional cost. These extras can significantly increase the price of the vehicle, potentially making it less accessible for some buyers. Number 4. Complex infotainment system. Mercedes-Benz vehicles, including the C-Class, are known for their advanced infotainment systems. However, some users may find the interface complex and somewhat overwhelming to navigate, requiring a learning curve to fully utilize all its features. And 5. Limited cargo space. The C-Class, being a sedan, has a smaller trunk space compared to larger vehicles or even some crossover SUVs. If you frequently need to transfer bulky items or have a need for ample cargo capacity, you may find the trunk size restrictive. And for Mercedes-Benz C, A and E classes, you can purchase a steering wheel decorative frame applicable to the new original Mercedes-Benz's C, A and E. 1:1 original size ensure perfect fit. Improved electroplating process, better quality. Automobile-grade ABS construction is strong and durable. Use a T20 screwdriver to unscrew and remove the old cover and install new ones on your steering wheel. The weight of this package is just 400 grams. Packing size is 23-24 centimeters. Link below.